I'm so pleased to introduce one of this year's Hollinger Physician of the Year recipient, Dr. Lornetta Epps. Dr. Epps came to work at Baptist Hospital in 1987, over 25 years ago. At first, we labor and delivery nurses weren't real sure about her because she didn't smile very much, but she was extremely pleasant and always said please and thank you. She was always a team player from day one. Dr. Epps always assured us, you don't work for me, we work together. As you can imagine, we quickly grew to love her. Dr. Epps has always been a great advocate for both her patients as well as the nurses that work with her. It's because of her that the labor and delivery unit at Baptist has a central monitoring system where the nurses can continuously monitor all of the patients on the unit from the nurses station. She's responsible for introducing the nurse midwives to Baptist Hospital. As a result, we've had the privilege of working with numerous certified nurse midwives over the years. She recognized that this would expand our patient population and give our patients the opportunity for alternative childbirth options. Dr. Epps not only functioned as a doctor in labor and delivery, was our chief of obstetrics for several years, but on many occasions got right down in the trenches with us and would care for the patients if we were busy, would answer the call lights, the phone, help prep the patients for surgery, and tend to patients' needs without hesitation. The quality of care that Dr. Epps' patients received was truly excellent. She was known for being tough, but she was always completely honest, caring, and compassionate. She always listened to us and to her patients. Those of us who've been fortunate enough to work with Dr. Epps have nothing but the utmost respect. Baptist Hospital has truly been blessed to have such quality in a physician. Over the years, she's been my Sunday school teacher, my doctor, my counselor, and most of all, my friend.